A toy cannon is fixed to a small cart and both move to the right with speed v along a straight track as shown above. The cannon points in the direction of motion. When the cannon fires a projectile, the cart and cannon are brought to rest. If capital M is the mass of the cart and cannon combined without the projectile, and m is the mass of the projectile, what is the speed of the projectile relative to the ground immediately after it is fired? We can analyze this situation with conservation of linear momentum by considering that the two objects in the collision are the cart and cannon combined on the one hand and the projectile on the other. The initial velocity of the two objects is v, so the momentum before firing is mass of the cart cannon plus mass of the projectile times v. The final momentum is mass of the cart cannon times 0 plus mass of the projectile times its final velocity. Therefore, the final velocity of the projectile is the expression found in option B.